Let's talk about dash cams. So here in this van at the moment, we're in a Volkswagen Crafter, and we have just fitted a WOLFBOX style camera in this. Now, the reason we go for WOLFBOXes is because these benefit from having a rear view camera as well as a front camera. So at the moment, it's a digital image, obviously. So this is showing the rear of the vehicle. So we have actually ran cable all the way through to the back, gone into the back door, fitted up that rear camera there. And what this does is it gives you a live image whilst you're driving of the rear of your van. Now, obviously being a camper van, big van, stuff like that as well, visibility can always sort of suffer a little bit. Obviously, you've not got any views behind you except for your two mirrors on the side. For people who don't normally drive big vans, or it's a new thing or something like that as well, it can sometimes be a little bit daunting, and you just want that added bit of sort of security, that added bit of visibility as well. So the WOLFBOXes absolutely benefit that, because you're able to see out the back like you would do if you had a rear view camera, or a rear view mirror, sorry, should I say. But this is just replaced with that camera. So as well as being able to record from the back, it also doubles up as a reversing camera. So when you click it into reverse, as you can see here, you've got two different style screens, so you can zoom right in and zoom out. And it just, again, gives that little bit of added visibility when you're backing up and reversing a big vehicle or a camper van or anything like that as well. Even if you've got a tow bar hooking up to your trailer, makes it a little bit easier. Knocking it out of reverse. The added bonus of the WOLFBOX as well is you can slide across. So you can see out of the front, both sort of back as well. So you've got lots of different screens you can play around with, lots of different modes. You can have your miles per hour on there. You can have a fatigue setting if you go for the bigger models and stuff like that as well. But ultimately, it is a 4K recording dash cam. So just like if you need a dash cam for insurance purposes, or you get cut up on that roundabout, or you just find that annoying driver that you just want his registration of, obviously this is dash cam as well. So still records, you can still access everything. Helps with insurances for crashes, stuff like that as well. I think everybody should have a dash cam personally in their cars. I think it's absolutely something everybody should have. But with this, you've got that bonus of you have that rear view image all the time, as well as a dash cam as well. So really, really cool feature. Obviously, Crafters don't come with a rear view mirror from factory. So this one is actually just on a little sucky mount sort of thing here as well. So if you don't have a mirror, you can still fit these. That's absolutely fine. We'll find a way around it. But generally speaking, they're just cool bits of kit, really. Nice bit of tech to have in your car. Everybody loves some gadgets, something cool to play around with. And this is just something we like fitting.